How to affiliate in TikTok Shop. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open TikTok app on your phone. Tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Then, tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner. You have to make sure this is a business account. For that, tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Account. Now tap on Switch to Personal Account. That means you have a business account. If not, you will see Switch to Business Account. Then you want to go ahead and switch it. Once you have a business account, you will start creating contents for your TikTok, describing and showing your products. Using correct sound and hashtag will help you to reach many people as possible. Then you have to promote your products on TikTok by announcing different events or even collaborating with influencers. That is how to affiliate in TikTok Shop. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.